Odysseyers, Mike Martin's here with the Mike Martin channel. Thanks for joining me, being part of the channel, subscribing, and liking. Guys, don't forget to check out episode 410 of Mike in the Night, only on Odyssey, where we are not censored. Okay, well, here it is. This was discussed last night on the live show. Here it is. Northern Territory in Australia introduces lockout for unvaccinated after recording 256 COVID-19 cases. So unvaccinated are being locked out or locked down. Let's find out what's... Unvaccinated residents in the Northern Territory will be forced to adhere to strict lockout restrictions as of 1 p.m. after the territory reported 256 new COVID-19 cases. Remember, cases don't mean deaths, folks. Chief Minister Michael Gunner, we were talking about this pencil neck the other day on Mike in the Night, and people like this end up getting investigated for fraud or all kinds of stuff. Then they end up working in a different transportation sector of the country or some other part of the country. And that's the problem with these public servants. They don't go away after they get investigated for fraud. So Chief Minister Michael Gunner announced the territory-wide lockout for all those who are not fully vaccinated will take place this afternoon. It will apply that those unvaccinated over the age of 16 who now will be allowed to travel more than 30 kilometers from their home will not be allowed, so you can't travel. You may only leave home for 3 reasons: medical treatment, including COVID-19 testing and vaccination, of course, essential goods and services like groceries, power token medications, to provide care to support a family member or a person who cannot support themselves. Crap, Gunner said. For the fully vaccinated, there will be no restrictions other than the mask mandate. There you go. So there it is, what's happening. I can't really go into this too much right now here on this platform on YouTube. So if you guys don't mind going over to Odyssey and watch last night's show or episode 409, 407, you'll know how we feel about this. Of today's cases, 27 were presumed. So the problem we're seeing is a lot of people that are being admitted to hospital are fully vaccinated. So we've already discussed, and it's in the mainstream media, that almost 90% of the people that are being administered to hospitals with bizarre blood clots and heart attacks are fully vaccinated. Almost 90% in some regions that we've been seeing. And that's the mainstream media actually letting us know that. Right? And then it has fully vaccinated, 1 vaccine, no vaccination, and no vaccines in hospitals. So it was less than 10% were unvaccinated. So what is happening? We can't discuss it here, but they are pushing people to the limits, and this is what's happening. Remember, guys, 2019 was the year of the protest. 2022 will be the year of the protest once again. So there are current 23 people in a hospital. I mean, why would you shut down why would you lock out people from their lives? That's the thing. New Year's Eve activities are being blamed on the spike of cases, of course. Infections taking place between ages 20 to 39. On a good note, in Canada, from ages 0 to 39, only 2 people died of COVID in Canada from coast to coast in 21 months. I don't know if they bumped the numbers up since the 21-month period. I don't know if it's changed, but 2 people died of COVID from ages 0 to 39 in Canada. I'm not sure about Australia, but this, I mean, you got to start questioning this stuff, right? We can't really do it on this platform here on YouTube. So go over to Odyssey, link below to the show. That's what's happening. So Mr. Gunner also announced vaccine pass system will be implemented from midday on Monday. A vaccine pass will be necessary for entering high-risk hospital settings, he said. The pass will be... So, again, socialized medicine is obviously socialized medicine. Free healthcare, it's not free. So that's what's been happening. Canada delayed, we discussed this on the channel here, close to 200,000 life-saving surgeries in 2020. Right? And the best thing about Canada is our hottest housing market was in 2020. Tons of cash coming in from Hong Kong. Mostly laundered, though. They caught 41 or 42 billion of it. What's happening here, folks? We know. Go to Odyssey, link below to the last Mike of the Night. Go back to episode 400 if you want to catch up on the drama. Let me know what you guys think. Lots of love, guys. Lots of support. Call into Mike of the Night this Saturday, live show, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, guys. And Northern Territory, watch our episode of Mike of the Night from 2018, when they were rolling out facial recognition cameras in Darwin, Northern Territory, Australia. Looking forward to reading your comments. Mike Martins here. I have spoken.